So a bunch of people were talking on my infinite speed video about what infinitesimally small means. I'm going to make this easy for you. Infinitesimally small means 0. Now I know that that sounds not true. Because, why not just say 0 then? But the point is, infinity is not a number, and you can't treat it like a number. Numbers stop. Numbers are, by their definition, finite. Infinity goes on forever. It never stops. And so we can't do standard mathematical operations to them. They make no sense. For example, infinity divided by anything is infinity. Infinity times anything is infinity. Infinity plus anything is infinity. Infinity minus anything is infinity. It just does not work like a normal number. So to do mathematical operations with infinity, we need to use calculus. We need to take a limit of a function as it approaches infinity. Now, what does that mean? Basically, that means if a infinity is anywhere in an equation, then we have to figure out what value that equation approaches without ever getting there. Basically, the next number after you reach infinity is the limit. It's the number the equation tends toward but never gets to. So instead of writing this, we write this. This is an equation that is infinitely small. As x gets bigger and bigger and bigger, 1 over x gets smaller and smaller and smaller. In fact, it will go through all of the smallest numbers, but never get to 0. It trends toward 0. Thus, if you're thinking in terms of concepts, the actual value is somewhere between literally every small number you can think of and 0. But there is no number like that. There is literally no value between all of the infinite small numbers and 0, because you can always write a smaller number. So then we have to make a decision, and we can't say that this trends toward any number other than 0, because we can always choose a smaller number. So the only way that this makes any mathematical sense is if it is equal to 0. Hence, the limit of 1 over x as x approaches infinity is 0. An infinitesimally small number is 0. So what does this mean for the whole infinite speed debate? Well, if someone is moving some distance in an infinitesimally small amount of time, it means that they are moving that distance in 0 time. Because if it was any amount of time that could be measured, it would be finite. And if you move any distance in 0 time, i.e. without time passing, then you are existing in 2 places at once. So again, the concept of infinite speed does not just mean really, 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 really fast. It means really wonky things happen.